Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Kai here from Titexto, and today we are going to review Sony's latest true wireless earphones, which is the WF-1000XM3. Why does it have to be a mouthful? Well, we've done our tests for the past few days, and these are the 4 top reasons why you should consider purchasing this for your next true wireless earphones. Reason number 4 has got to be the great battery life that it has. The charging case has 24 hours of stored battery life. If you are using this without noise cancellation on, it goes for 6 hours. And if you are listening to this with the active noise cancellation on, it goes for 8 hours. So all in all, you can expect battery life to be between 30 to 32 hours, which is seriously fantastic. You have like long haul flights, or you have many stopovers somewhere, this will be great. Reason number 3 has to be the sound quality that they reproduce, especially for audio tracks. They have this really crisp mids that I really like. So if you are like me who enjoys listening to audio tracks that has a lot of emphasis on vocals, these are really great. Songs by Tony Bennett sounds really good. Adele sounds wonderful. Jazz songs, really impressive. And Ella Fitzgerald, oh my god. I was listening to Let's Fall in Love and they sound holy. Reason number 2 has got to be the active noise cancelling that this one has. Well, if you look around what's on the market, this is the first that has active noise cancelling inbuilt. The earphones do a wonderful job of blocking out noises. So if you're on a plane, if you're a solo traveler and you have left and right snorers on board on the plane, this will totally help you. Or if you have babies or infants crying for no apparent reason in flight, because that's what infants do, it's their thing. And as soon as you turn on any audio or you're watching movies or TV shows, this will instantly block out all those annoying noises. And to demonstrate how good the noise cancellation is, here's a sample.
You are the best husband
I've
ever seen in real life,
Singapore.
In the most.
You
are the best husband that I ever seen before
in Singapore. So as you can see, my wife couldn't tell how much of a good husband I am when I was telling her straight in the face. Before we get into top reason number 1, I have 3 things which I don't really like about the product. Number 1, it has got to be the design of the casing. It doesn't have that premium feel. Feels rather plasticky all over. I wish Sony can come out with something more innovative. If you saw my review on clips, you could see how well designed the casing is. These are not well designed. It doesn't even feel nice. The second thing that I do not like about the earphones is that there are no IPX rating. That might be a concern to some who like spending the time outdoors, who likes to bring their earphones, always plugging in and probably jogging, or probably just just walking around endlessly or aimlessly outside. It might be a concern to them because once it starts drizzling or raining or thunderstorm, or when they start sweating, especially if they are in the gym, there's no guarantee that this might not be damaged. However, the reps from Sony, they were ensuring the public that this will do good against water splashes or sweat or drizzles, Of course, if you want to take their word, you have to take it with a pinch of salt. And it's always a matter of when those salts gets into your eyes, causing you a lot of pain. And the number 1 thing that I do not like about this is the call quality. I realized that I have to speak rather loudly in public for my recipient, the one who was talking to me, to pick whatever I was talking about. And if you are plugged in like that, hands-free, and you are talking loudly in public, people might think you are actually scolding them, especially in Singapore. So enough about the negative things. We are back with the top reason number 1 why you should buy the WF-1000XM3. I wish they could have created a longer name for this product. The reason number 1 has to be the ambient mode that they have. The ambient mode is a feature that you can control on the Sony app that comes with this. So you have to download it on your phone first before you get to control it. But what it does is that once your noise cancellation is on, you can actually configure and calibrate what kind of ambient sound that you want to hear. For example, the app and the earphones, they are smart enough to pick up what kind of traveling mode that you are on. It's either you are walking, you're running, or you're on a plane, or you're on a transport. Because if you are in a transport, for example, if you're in a train, you can adjust the ambient sound to such so that you won't miss your stop. You know, if you are like engrossed watching Stranger Things and then there was an announcement for your stop, you could listen to the announcement of your stop without unplugging your earphones, which is fantastic. So based on whether you are walking, you are running, or you are on a transport, the app and the earphones, they are smart enough to pick up your activity, whatever you're doing. It's probably the gyroscope that they have on the earphones. I don't know, I'm just guessing, just assuming. And that feature alone makes these earphones a very smart earphone. So well done Sony, that is a very innovative and intelligent feature to have in a true wireless earphones. Alright, that's it. I hope those 4 positive reasons are solid enough for you to make a purchase on the WF-1000XM3. I have to stop saying the name. And if you're alright with the design and aesthetic of the design of the case, and if you are very protective of the product from the outside dangers of the world, and you don't really use this for calling, there's always a hack though. You can always take one out and put it in front of your mouth and do, you know, like how those people in the 40s or probably 30s, you know how they do their calls, like the earpiece and the mouthpiece. It's like, hello, hello, hello.
Susie, how do I text message on this thing again?
You know, something like that. Alright, that's it from me guys. I hope this has been helpful to help you to make an informed decision before you make any purchases. I, for one, really like the WF-1000XM3. The ambient mode feature that makes this super smart and the noise cancelling feature are already enough to make me a fan. Alright, have a good weekend guys. Stay healthy. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.